Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how to add a group to a custom list on WhatsApp. This updated method will help you stay organized and manage your conversations more efficiently, especially if you're part of multiple group chats. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, swipe down from the top. This will reveal your list section. You should see a few options appear across the top bar, such as chats, contacts, and groups. Now, tap on the groups list. This view shows all the WhatsApp groups you're part of. Scroll through and find the group you'd like to add to your custom list. Next, long press on that group. A small menu or selection bar will appear. Once the group is highlighted, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots menu. From there, choose the option called Add to List. You'll see all your custom lists displayed. Maybe you've created lists for your family, work projects, hobbies, or close friends. Simply tap on the list you want to add the group to. After selecting it, hit Done. That's it. The group is now part of your chosen custom list. This makes it easier to access and manage it whenever you need, without scrolling through every single chat in your WhatsApp inbox. If you ever change your mind, you can remove a group from a list following nearly the same process. Open the list, long press the group, and choose Remove from List. It's quick, simple, and keeps your messaging organized. Custom lists are a great way to bring some order to the chaos of daily messaging. Whether you're organizing by friends, work teams, or community groups, WhatsApp's updated tools make it smoother than ever. So go ahead and try it out. A few quick taps, and your groups will be neatly sorted, making your chats easier to find and manage every day.